Codesignal, Arcade, Databases, Suspects Investigation. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving Suspects Investigation. Let's begin. So we store all the information for suspects in this certain data structure. All the columns are here and the parameters, but here's the following clues that you want to use to find the criminal. The robber is not taller than 170 centimeters and they left their signature near the crime scene with a certain pattern, B.GRE question mark N, and the B stands for the first letter of the robber's name, and GRE apostrophe N is their surname because the fourth letter is smudged by ketchup. So you want to filter out the suspects with the table that you got based on those clues, basically. And this is an example right here. Oh, by the way, you want to do it right here. Given the suspect's information, you want to build the resulting table as follows. The table should have ID, name, and surname, and its value should be ordered by the suspect's ID's ascending order. So we have the table of values right here, but all the information you really want is the people who are less than or equal to 170 centimeters. As you can compare, take a screenshot if you want to compare to this and confirm. And the IDs are in ascending order, and they follow that same pattern that was left by the signature of the robber. So let's solve this one. First, I want to select all the information that matters, which is the ID, name, and surname from, what's the name of the table? I think it's suspect. All right, now we have to create the filter. And when we create a filter, we usually use the where statement. So it'll be where the height is less than and equal to 170, and because it has to follow all these certain parameters, that means they both, it's not just an or statement, it's everything of all these values right here. So that's what I'm using an and. We know that the first name should be like the pattern of B percentage. When you use the like operator for MySQL, they have a certain regex syntax. Regex means regular expressions. Expressions used to find a pattern that you want. In this case, percentage is the operator to show that there's one or more characters. It represents either one or more characters as long as it starts with B right here. Alright, and now we want to go and confirm the pattern for the surname. And the surname instead is, we know it has the letters GRE apostrophe N. So in that case, we do the same like operator. Like is used for confirming regular expression operations. In other words, finding the pattern within the string. In this case, we know that it has GRE and an underscore N. Now, when I use underscore, it means that it represents one character and it can be any character. To clarify, percent means it could be one or more characters, and it can be any set of different characters as well. So I end it with a semicolon, and oh, I forgot one more thing. I have to order this by ID. Let's see if this works. Awesome. Don't know why this is glad it passed. This kind of worried me for a second. Alright guys, I hope you like my content. If it's not clear, please comment it below and I'll try to make a clarification for everyone's sake. And if you do like my content, please like and subscribe and provide any more advice on how I can make this much better for you. And if you do, I'm going to have you, the person who constructed this question actually was from someone by the alias of Inspector Clouseau, and he told me that he needs help finding the Pink Panther, the robber of the Pink Panther. So if you'd like to subscribe my content, I'll introduce you to Inspector Clouseau, and you become his detective and trainee. Just kidding. You guys have a good day. See ya.